Don't do that. I can't have a straight face of you.
Do what? Stand
laughing.
here?
You're looking at me. You're laughing.
Okay, sorry, I won't look at you.
I loved it. Fuck.
He loves fuck.
Oh, okay. I can do this. He's smiling at me. Okay. Just don't smile or laugh or anything.
Well, don't say yo.
And now he's propping it in the shot.
Yeah, fuck your continuity.
No, fuck you, continuity.
Put that dirty tip back inside you, you nasty person.
Oh, okay. Oh.
You have to be looking at him. And you'll have to be looking at him, too.
So I'm gonna be playing video games.
We have to
like
look at each other in the eyes.
just once. I want to be on top.
Nope. At my house, you're always on the bottom.
Come on, just bend the rule for me at least once.
Why don't you go bend over somewhere else? No, at your house, you're always on the bottom.
Come on, bend the rule for me once.
I think I fucked that up.
It should be at your house. He's always on the bottom.
That's what I said, at your house.
I said, no, at your house.
Well, my house.
He's at your house.
My.
I'm at the bottom of my own house too.
You just can't fucking win.
Okay, try again.